Do you ever wonder what it takes to make a great first impression? As soon as you meet someone, the way you present yourself can make the difference between a successful interaction and an awkward one. This is especially true when it comes to making a great first impression on women. From the way you dress, to the things you say, to your body language, there are many subtle nuances to master. So, how can you make a great first impression on a woman every time? By the end of this video, you will see 10 tips for making a great first impression on a woman that will help you put your best foot forward. Number 10. The power of standing and handshakes. One of the most effective tips for making a good first impression with a woman is to make sure you stand if she is already standing. Psychologically, standing can be an indication of respect and attentiveness. It conveys a message that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. For example, if you are introducing yourself to a woman you have never met before, you should stand if she is already standing. If she is sitting down, you may greet her while standing and then sit down when she does. When you are done introducing yourself, extend your hand and shake hers. This physical contact will help to establish trust and a bond between you and the woman. Furthermore, keep shaking her hand while she is introducing herself unless she breaks the handshake off early. This will show her that you are listening and interested in what she has to say. Lastly, think carefully about when to break your handshake. Number 9. The importance of dressing at the same level. When we dress at the same level as the person we are meeting, it can create a sense of relatability and understanding that can instantly make a positive impact. From a psychological standpoint, this communicates to the other person that you are on the same level as them and that you respect them. It also shows that you know what's going on and that you respect their values. From a practical standpoint, dressing the same way as the woman you are meeting has several benefits. It projects a sense of self-confidence as you appear to be comfortable in the situation, as well as a sense of respect for the other person. It also shows that you have taken the time to research and prepare for the meeting, which can make a lasting impression. Number 8. Speak in a slower pace, firm and clear voice. Speaking at a slower pace with a firm and clear voice is one of the best ways to make a great first impression on women. It is important to speak in a slow and deliberate manner, as this will give you a confident and authoritative air. This will also help to ensure that your words are understood by your listener. Additionally, speaking in a firm and clear voice will convey your confidence and charisma. Psychologically, speaking in a slow, firm voice conveys that you are in control of the conversation and that you have considered what you are saying before you say it. This will help to put your listener at ease and show that you are a confident and trustworthy individual. Number 7. Open body language. Open body language is an important part of making a great first impression on women. It can be used to show that you are confident, friendly, and approachable. By keeping your body open, you will look more confident and your body language will be seen as inviting. Examples of open body language include keeping your arms uncrossed and inviting, looking directly into the eyes of the person you are talking to, smiling and nodding to show your interest, leaning in to show that you are interested in what the other person is saying, using gestures that are expressive and open. Psychologically, open body language communicates to the other person that you are interested and willing to engage in the conversation. It shows that you are open to communication, which creates a positive atmosphere. Studies have also shown that open body language helps people feel more relaxed and comfortable when they are interacting. It makes people feel more welcome and encourages them to open up more. This is important when making a great first impression. Number 6. Be fully present. A great first impression on women requires a lot of focus, presence, and confidence. To make a great first impression, you must be fully present at the moment. That means being present in mind, body, and spirit. This means putting away all distractions, such as phones or other electronic devices, and really focusing your attention on the woman and the conversation. Make eye contact and stay engaged in the conversation. A great way to do this is to use active listening techniques, such as restating what the woman has said and asking relevant questions to keep the conversation going. Psychologically, being present is essential for a successful first impression. It shows the woman you are interested in getting to know her and that you value her presence. Women also tend to pay close attention to body language and nonverbal cues, so make sure to stand tall and maintain an open, relaxed posture. This will demonstrate that you are confident and comfortable with the situation. Number 5. Soft, unintimidating eye contact. Another way to make a good impression is through soft, unintimidating eye contact. Soft eye contact shows someone you are interested in getting to know them, but also that you respect their boundaries. It's important to make eye contact for a few seconds, but no longer than that. Too much eye contact can be intimidating and make the woman feel uncomfortable. Keeping eye contact soft and friendly will show you are interested, but not overly so. Psychologically, being present is essential for a successful first impression. It shows the woman you are interested in getting to know her and that you value her presence. Women also tend to pay close attention to body language and nonverbal cues, so make sure to stand tall and maintain an open, relaxed posture. This will demonstrate that you are confident and comfortable with the situation. Number 4. Don't try too hard. Trying too hard can come off as desperate or even worse, creepy. Instead, focus on being genuine, relaxed, and friendly. A great way to show a woman you're interested without trying too hard is to simply ask questions. Take a genuine interest in her and ask questions about her interests and hobbies. This will show her that you are interested in getting to know her, not just trying to impress her. Psychologically, women are attracted to men who are relaxed. Trying too hard can come off as needy or insecure. Women appreciate when somebody is confident enough to take the time to get to know them without trying too hard. When men try too hard, it can be a major turnoff for women. Number 3. Get a good haircut. A great first impression on women starts with your physical appearance. A good haircut can be an easy way to make a good impression and show that you care about your appearance. A good haircut can help you look more professional, confident, and attractive. It can also help you look more put together and polished. Psychologically, a good haircut can make a positive impression. It can show that you take pride in your appearance and care about how you present yourself. According to studies, people with good haircuts are perceived as more attractive and successful. A study from the journal Social Psychological and Personality Science found that when people rated images of men, those with better haircuts were rated as more attractive and successful. Number 2. Smile with your eyes first, then with your mouth. Smiling with your eyes first and then with your mouth is a simple yet effective way to make a great first impression on women. It conveys warmth, openness, and sincerity. Psychology says that the eyes are the windows to the soul. When you smile first with your eyes, you show that you are open and ready to talk. People are more likely to notice and appreciate how your eyes react right away than how your mouth smiles. The science behind this is that when you smile with your eyes first, it triggers the release of endorphins, which are hormones that create a feeling of happiness and pleasure. Endorphins also help you feel less stressed and anxious, which makes it easier to relax and be yourself. This is particularly important when meeting someone for the first time. Also, when you smile with your eyes first, you make a more genuine and real impression than when you smile with your mouth first. According to research, people can detect a fake smile from a genuine one, and it will make a huge difference in how your first impression is perceived. Number 1. You want to align yourself with their vision of themselves. When it comes to making a great first impression on women, it is important to remember that everyone has different preferences and expectations. A great way to connect with a woman and make a great first impression is to align yourself with her vision of herself. This means understanding her values, interests, and goals. For example, if a woman sees herself as a successful career woman, you can talk to her about her job, her career plans, and her ambitions. If she views herself as a person of strong values, you can talk to her about your beliefs and values. If you know she's a fitness enthusiast, ask her about her favorite workout. If she's a reader, ask her about her favorite books. Psychologically, it's important to align yourself with their vision of themselves, as it shows them that you value them for who they are and that you want to learn more about them. This is something that will make them feel comfortable and safe with you. Final thoughts. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to make a great first impression on women. By following the steps outlined in the video, you can present yourself confidently and authentically to make a great first impression. Remember to be friendly, dress well, and show genuine interest in the woman you are meeting. With practice and consistency, you can make a great first impression on women every time. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 10 things women instantly notice about high-value men. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.